Okay, everybody, it is Denali time once again here at Denney Motor Sales in Wabash, Indiana. This beauty is a 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. This one is all-wheel drive, has the 3.6 liter V6 engine, one owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker. This one has only 17,000 miles. So with the Denali trim, they are pretty loaded up. Of course, leather interior on the inside. That interior is called light shale. It does have dark gray accents. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Front seats are cooled as well. Second row seats are heated. Power rear lift gate. This one has the all-weather floor mats throughout. Third row seat. Does have the trailer tow package, which is behind the cover right there. 20-inch alloy wheels on this one. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Bose premium sound system, navigation system, remote start, rear view camera, side blind zone alert, forward collision alert. There's a rear cross traffic alert as well. Bumper to bumper warranty from GMC to 36,000 miles. And powertrain warranty from GMC to 60,000 miles. This is an absolutely beautiful truck. You can check it out here in person at Denney Motor Sales, Wabash, Indiana. 260-563-1175. Call or text. Make sure you check the page out on Facebook at Denney Motor Sales. And the website, DenneyMotorsales.com, where there are a ton of photos and very, very detailed information about this Acadia. Guys, I need you to help me out. I know that you have a friend or family member who'd like to see this one, so please like and share this video.